Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to filter comments in your videos with keywords. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's filter some keywords on our TikTok. Let's open it. Let's pause this video, and if you turn on add keywords comments on your videos, those keywords will be hidden unless you approve them. So let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of our phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option appear over here. Just tap there. And now after that you can see the privacy option over here, which is the second one under the account category. Just tap there, and you can see the comment section under the safety category, second one, the comments over here. Just tap there, and after that you can see under the comment filters category, you can see the option that says filter keywords, and recent comments with specified keywords on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. So if it's a business account of yours, do it a little precautiously, and if it's your private account, you can do as you wish. And there guys, filtering comments with keywords is this easy in TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Peace.